Equivalent fractions using number chips. This is a digital lesson, and it starts out explaining to students that we can simplify fractions by creating an equivalent fraction with smaller numbers. And students are going to do this with the number chips. So these number chips are movable. You just click and hold on the edge, and the students can move them into place. And they're going to simplify all of these fractions. So here they're going to divide the numerator and denominator by 2, and they get 9/10. Now every slide has every number the students need. So if they get toward the end and the numbers aren't working, they need to look again and see if they made an error somewhere. They're going to do the same thing on the next slide, next 2 slides, simplifying the fractions. And then they're shown how to change a fraction greater than 1 to a mixed number. We used to call these improper fractions. These are fractions where the number in the numerator is larger than the number in the denominator. So to do that, they're just going to divide. So 5 goes into 24 4 times. That's our whole number. And that leaves 4/5 left over. Students are going to do that also with the number chips. So their whole number is going to go here. They're just going to divide. 5 goes into 16 3 times. So they're going to move the 3. 5 times 3 would be 15. That means there's 1/5 left over. That denominator stays the same. They're going to do the same thing with the other 3. Then they're shown how to change a mixed number into a single fraction that's greater than 1. They're going to multiply the denominator times the whole number, add the numerator, and then that denominator is going to stay the same. So 7 times 5 is 35, plus 1 is 36. So 36/7. And students are going to do that with the next slide also. On the final slide, this is for fun. When they get the rest of the digital lesson finished, they're going to use letter chips to solve this riddle. Where do monkeys work out? So they have all the letters they need. The first one's done for them, and see if they can figure out the answer to that riddle. So this is a digital lesson, equivalent fractions using number chips.